Let's make crispy fried chicken using DivineKuizine's Mango Barbecue Sauce. So we're getting ready to season this crispy fried chicken. So I've already cleaned the chicken, already done all that good stuff. And this is chicken wings. So now I'm getting ready to season it. So we have some salt, seasoned salt. I'm gonna be using a little bit of this Asian pepper. So this has like assorted chili peppers in it. So a little bit of that in there. We got some smoked paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and mesquite seasoning, which is by McCormick, the Grill Mate. Put a little bit of that in there. And I'm gonna take a little bit of olive oil. This is just gonna help it bind better. Put a little bit of olive oil in there. I'm going to get all our seasonings nice and then we're gonna just well combine all of our spices together on here. It smells good, y'all, with all them seasonings that I just put in here. You're gonna do about a teaspoon of baking powder. Put a teaspoon of baking powder in here. And then for the cornstarch, I would say probably about a third or 1/4 cup, but really I'm gonna go by sight. I just wanna get it really nice and coated. So I'm gonna take some cornstarch and then I'm gonna put my gloves back on and we're gonna combine this. The ideal thing would be after you put your baking powder and your cornstarch, you want that to go like in the refrigerator, so all your spices and everything that you've done, you can marinate that and then it can also adhere better. But since we're doing this demo right now, we're just gonna go ahead and mix everything now. So let me get some more gloves. And then like I said, what you could do after this point is you can put it in the refrigerator and just let it sit maybe, for a few hours and let everything adhere and kind of, get all the spices nice and marinated. I'm not gonna season it all the way like we did with how we seasoned our chicken, because we are gonna put DivineKuizine Mango Barbecue Sauce on this. So this is like extra crispy fried chicken with DivineKuizine's Mango Barbecue Sauce, which we're gonna talk about in a minute. But to just season the flour, I'm just gonna put some seasoning salt, nothing else, just some seasoning salt and maybe a little bit of regular salt, and that's it. Because this is already got a lot of spices on it. Then this, I don't want it too salty, and then we're gonna go ahead and put another sauce on it, which is the DivineKuizine Mango Barbecue Sauce. So, you want it to kind of still balance out. So I'm gonna get a fork and just, or with, I have a fork that's closer to me, and just kind of mix all that in. Put a little more, but just, mix it all in. You don't want it salty, but you do want to have, a little flavor to or season a little bit of your flour. So let's talk about this mango barbecue sauce. So mango barbecue sauce, DivineKuizine's Mango Barbecue Sauce is sweet, it's spicy, it has a little kick to it. It's made with fresh mangoes. So all my products are organic ingredients, or the best, finest ingredients that I can get. So this has mango in it. It has a little bit of Scotch bonnet in it to give it that heat, some sweetness, but all our sweeteners in here, there's no artificial sweeteners or anything like that. Everything is like maple syrup or things of that nature that's organic, pure. So there's no preservatives, no artificial preservatives, no artificial sweeteners. Everything is made naturally. That's in this. Very good. This is gonna go on this chicken, but people have made meatloaf, like did their glaze of their meatloaf, ribs, of course. So it's a barbecue sauce. We're getting ready to come up with, summer, spring, where you're gonna be grilling. So this would be a great sauce to get. Like I said, it's sweet and it has a little kick of spiciness sweetness to it. You can get this on the TikTok shop. You can go to DivineKuizine.com and buy it on my website and become a subscriber on the website because I have a variety of recipes, discounts that you can only get if you're a subscriber to the website. Also, you can get this at Amazon, okay? So now we're getting ready to, I'm gonna put some more gloves on, but we're gonna take our chicken, we're gonna put it in our flour, I'm gonna put it on the baking dish, and then we're gonna heat up our oil and we're gonna get to frying. All right, so I have my flour, I have my chicken, so I'm just gonna take the chicken, put it in the flour, kind of tap the sides, you know, to get the excess flour off. Sometimes some people make like an egg mixture and things of that nature, but this is just as crispy just to do it this way. Sometimes people put water in it, but I found that this is just as crispy with those two ingredients. I usually fry it for about 15 minutes or look at it until it gets nice and golden brown, but it's usually about 15 or so minutes. And you don't want to overcrowd your chicken as well. You know what I'm saying? You want it to have a good, you don't want it to start steaming it and get overcrowded. Okay, y'all, so we have nice and crispy fried chicken. So the secret is the cornstarch, the baking powder, and then your flour, and it'll be crisp every time. So now I have some mango barbecue sauce that I am going to put on these wings. It's gonna give you that sweet, that spice, and everything nice. So it's gonna get it nice and put it in here, like so. Feeling good, y'all. Garnish it, give it a little greenery. But there you have it. Extra crispy mango barbecue chicken wings using DivineKuizine Mango Barbecue sauce. So now we're gonna go in for the taste. The fried chicken, barbecue fried chicken basically. So let's go in and taste. I don't like fried chicken. I can eat this whole bowl of fried chicken. Let me tell you about it. Child, I ain't just saying that either. These are like the best. I just need to start my own chicken wing spot. These are the best. They're crispy. They season to perfection. And then you got that mango barbecue sauce, which is sweet. So you get the sweetness and a hint of, you know, taste it. You know how mangoes taste real sweet? So you kind of get that kind of sweetness, but then you get the smokiness of the barbecue and a hint of the spice because you got a little bit of Scotch bonnet in there. This is a must-make recipe. It's easy, but it's delicious. To get this recipe, you're gonna go to DivineKuizine.com. Get it, try it, become a subscriber so you can get discounts on when we do have, you know, discounts on my products or different recipes that come out. This is a must get. DivineKuizine's Mango Barbecue Sauce. You can get it at my website, DivineKuizine.com, TikTok shop, Instagram shop, Amazon. If you're in the Atlanta area, you can get at Beaver's Farmers Market. So you can get this. There ain't no excuse not to get this. Love y'all, Chef Shay.